In this video, I'm going to show you how to use demo account on Mitrade app. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, whenever you're logging in over here in the app, you want to select your preferred login method. So for example, I have at the bottom, as you can see, it says last logged in with Google. So I'm just going to use that. But of course, you can sign in with phone number or email or Facebook, of course, depending on however you want to sign in. Now, if you don't have an account, at the bottom it says sign up. You can sign up as well by just tapping that button and you'll be able to create your account. So to actually use a demo account, you want to go and tap here to log in. And then whenever you've done that here, it's going to basically allow me to choose my account. There we go. And then it's going to start loading, and it's going to, usually for the first time you do this, put you directly into where you can basically fill your personal info and of course your ID and stuff like that. And that means you're already in the creation process for your real account. But if you simply want to basically just test out the demo account before actually signing up for a real account and getting verified, you have to tap at the X button top right. And then here it's going to say, do you wish to leave this page? You want to tap on leave here. And as you can see here, I'm now inside my demo account. It's showing me my available accounts, stuff like that, or of course the amount I have. And up top, of course, if you, after testing out your demo account, want to go ahead and become verified and get a real account, here you can simply tap on verify now. As you can see, bottom right, hub tab, and then here it says verify now. You can tap on that and you can get yourself verified. Now if I go to the home tab now, or the trade tab, up top right, you can see your available balance, and it says demo next to it. You can tap on it. It's going to show you everything over here, the P&L, your balance, available, margin, stuff like that. So yeah. To use your demo account, likely you're going to be using it for trading, you can go to the trade tab. Up here you can find a bunch of different things. So you can find like popular, forex, commodities, shares, indices, crypto, ETFs, etc. So whatever you want to trade, you basically tap on it here. You can see kind of the chart of that specific thing, the strategies, the data on it, and at the bottom you can buy and sell. I have separate tutorials on how to buy and sell different assets, so go watch these on my channel in case you're interested. And then here you can then set like take profits, stop losses, quantities, market or pending orders, etc. And then of course you can see, if I go back here at the bottom, you have positions. You can tap on that, and in here is where you can manage all your positions on your demo account. But again, if you're at any point ready to actually create a real account, go to the hub tab bottom right, and then here you can tap on verify now or switch to live, and you'll be able to of course open up a live account just like this, and it's going to of course get you verified, and you'll be able to create a real account and start trading with your real funds. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.